Hey guys, this video is going to be about all the seeds that you can find around your house and your neighborhood, and also the free seeds that you get from shopping at your grocery store. So let's take a look. All of these things right here are so simple to save from things from the store. These avocado pits are free seeds. Also, this is some butternut squash seeds. And you can take your ends of your tomatoes and just save those. Doesn't matter if they get dried up, they're fine. And these right here are little ends of strawberries that you can also take the seeds from your strawberries. Here's another one that I saved, and these are from bell peppers. All the little seeds in your bell peppers, you can save them. And this is way, way more than I'll ever need, but you can plant some and you can thin them out, give them to friends, whatever. They're free. So I just cut these long blooms off of this plant, and I unburied it, and here is the new growth. And the thing that I love is free seeds. I'm gonna take these inside and see what we can get. We have these beautiful wild sunflowers here, and they're all dried out because it's winter. But what I like to do is I like to come and before I yank them all out because they're all dried, all of these heads of the flowers are the dried out seeds. And so all I do is just point them towards the ground and just fluff them like this with my hand. And all the seeds, and just break all the seeds off. And then I also save some in a baggie, but this way it reseeds this whole area so that they come up in the spring and the summer. And the wind does a good job of it anyway, but I like to just do this and let them reseed in the ground. These are not the edible kind, these are just the ornamental. But you get hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of seeds. It's pretty satisfying.